Here is how to convert multiple videos at once using HandBrake. Open HandBrake and click Open Source, then select Folder Batch Scan. Find the folder that contains all the videos you want to convert and click Select Folder. HandBrake will scan all the video files inside. Before adding them to the queue, go to Tools, then Preferences. Scroll down to Output Files, set your default save location, and make sure Automatically Name Output Files is checked. Without this step, you will get errors. Click Back to return to the main screen. Now, click the small drop-down arrow next to Add to Queue and select Add All. Click Yes to confirm. All your videos are now added to the queue. Click Show Queue to review all the files, and then click Start Queue. HandBrake will convert all your videos one by one and save them automatically to your chosen location. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.